Every time I get my video camera out, the wind just starts picking up. I don't think the lake likes to be videoed. Alright, let's see here. Here we go. I'll get in position where it's not throwing me around. Here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful lake. There's a bald eagle. This camera doesn't really have a good zoom, but it was out here. Could still be out there flying. Well, howdy folks. Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com. And I am kayaking today here at Dutchman Lake. Just enjoying a nice little kayaking adventure here at Dutchman. Here's a herring over here. I don't know if you can see it. Try to get a little close to it. I'm sure it'll fly off once it realizes that I'm something that's getting too close. But still cool. Make its little noise. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool heron. Oh, there it goes, making it sound. That's a big bird. It's like, all right, folks. So it's a little windy. So like the waves are kind of crashing into the boat. Not nothing major, but enough where it's rocking the boat a little bit. It's a little abnormal. It's, you know, not used to that. Kind of freaked me out at first, but you know, I'm just kind of just chilling out. Oh, I hear people hiking maybe. I'm not too sure how deep Dutchman is, but I think it's supposed to be a pretty deep lake. So what kind of, I noticed kind of helps when the waves are choppy is you just go against them. There's my ginger. Shaking her head at me. She's mine. It's a pretty lake. It's pretty out here. The waves are just kind of weird with the wind, but I guess it's experience that we need to have. And I definitely felt a turtle or a fish or something bump up against the bottom of my boat earlier. So that was kind of different. It was either that or it was a shark or something. A river monster. A lost big muddy monster. I would love to hear from you all watching if you have ideas to kind of maneuver your kayak better and like chop your water, because like I'm kind of like shying away from lakes like Crab and Wren Lake and Devil's Kitchen and whatnot, where you could put bigger boats on. You may not be able to at Devil's Kitchen. Devil's Kitchen kind of makes me nervous because it's so deep and it's full of tops of trees. And I'm just kind of nervous about that. But, you know, kind of give me some tips about, you know, if I get in lakes with bigger boat engines. Because I'd love to go to Kincaid, but, you know, they fly through there. Alrighty, folks. Making our way to the levee. Hopefully the levee doesn't break. I mean, there's really nothing on the other side. But it is a little choppy. You gotta get away from the seaweed. Still trucking along. There's Michelle. My son dolphin. I got me some stickers on the boat here. I got 2 hiking with Shawn stickers on the side and a LBL sticker and one of my I do it for the Beloved stickers and one of my Garden of the Gods stickers. Alright, now we're heading back. Gotta do some stuff today. The kid is having homecoming, so it's just a quick little kayak trip, mainly just to see the lake, you know, just to see what it's like. Gotta kind of get up some speed when you get up to these ramps. Whoa. Golly.